Exercise 4. The function g is defined as 3x cubed minus 4x plus 5. What is the value of g of 2? G of 2 means that we should go to function g of x and place 2 instead of x. So this means that g of 2 would be equal to 3 times 2 cubed minus 4 times 2 plus 5. 2 cubed is 2 times 2 times 2, which is equal to 8. So 3 times 8 minus 8 plus 5. 3 times 8 is 24 minus 8 plus 5. That would be 16 plus 5, which of course equals to 21, which means that the right answer for this question would be C.